Hi, this is Bob Wiltfong. I'm going to show you how to shoot great quality video on your iPhone and then use that video to create great marketing content via the free app iMovie on your iPhone as well. We'll start the process by showing you how to shoot a simple video sequence on your iPhone. In this video, we're going to be capturing the stapler, a new product from our company. And so ideally, we want a repeatable action that we can shoot over and over again. In this one, we have me doing this action. We capture the wide shot first, capture a wide shot, and then notice we repeat the action for a medium shot. We get a little bit closer, change the angle, same action, and this will help us edit these shots together so it looks like one continuous action, even though we've shot it 3 different times. Here again, now our close shot. We've done wide, medium, now close. Get the repeatable action, me writing on the paper, and then the close shot of stapling. Then I'm going to get some stills. Same premise, but this time I'm going to work in reverse. I get the close shot, then the medium shot, and then the wide shot. Finally, I want to shoot an intro and an outro. This is video of me welcoming viewers at the beginning of the video, and then taking a beat and shooting the close or the outro of the video. I'm doing this by mounting my phone horizontally and looking at the webcam. Now that we've got the photos and the video clips onto our iPhone, we're going to use the free app of iMovie to put all of this stuff together in a great marketing content video clip. Here's how you do it. Open up your iMovie app, and it will take you to a page that says Projects, and you'll see a plus sign there. Click on the plus sign, and then click on Movie. Don't worry about trailers for now. From here, I want you to click on the upper left-hand corner where it says Media, and I want you to recognize that there are video and photos that you can possibly access here. They're categorized in different ways on the phone. I'm going to go into the video library, and I'm going to first try to identify what my intro and outros were, and that's this clip. Now notice this yellow bar highlights that clip when I do it. I can scrub this either way to get to the clips that I like, and here I adjusted my hair on the second take. My hair's a little crazy. I like it a little bit better when it's laid down. So I'm just going to edit out that junk video before it. And then I'm going to squeeze this last part of the yellow bar at the end so I don't have to deal with me kind of gathering myself after I say goodbye. And that's the part of the clip that I want to put into my timeline. So I'm just going to now click the check mark, which means that it will go into my edit. From there, I am going to click another clip. This one is looks like the wide shot of me using the stapler, so I'm going to just click on that. I don't need to edit that right now, so I'm going to put that in the timeline. Then I'm going to do the medium shot of me using that stapler. I'm going to click on that, and then finally the tight shot of me using that stapler. I'm going to put that in. So all of those are going to be my video clips. So I'm going to put those in, and then before I click anything, I'm going to go over to Media again, and I'm going to go to my photos, and I'm going to recently add my recently added collection of photos there, and I'm going to click the wide, medium, and close of the staplers, the stills that I like. I like this one, I like this wide, I like this medium. So now it says at the bottom of the screen that I can create the movie at the very bottom. So I press create, and it will automatically create an edit in iMovie for me using those videos clips and those stills. And if I run my finger along the edit, it will take me to the very beginning. And now I press play. Hi, we'd like to introduce you to our brand new stapler, fresh off the assembly line. And it's showing me the very first clip, which is the intro. Okay, here's the deal though. I want to now put this in order. So first off, let's edit this first clip to get rid of the stuff I don't need. So I'm going to go to the original clip here that I just duplicated, and I'm going to use this scrub bar, the yellow bar, to let me know where I need to be. It looks like I'm at the very beginning, so I'm just going to play this to make sure. Hi, we'd like to introduce you to... So that I know. Now I'm going to go to where I stopped talking here, the intro, which is right about here. And I'm going to use the scrub bar, but the opposite direction to get me back to that. That's the end of my intro. So that's my intro, okay? Now, let's go to the outro and move that to the very end of the piece. So I do the same process. I click on it. I get the yellow bar that allows me to edit this, and I'm going to get it down to the end. Here I collect myself, and I'm saying the end. I know what I shot. Okay, so that's the beginning of the end, my outro, if you will. And I'm going to scrub this to the very end of where I say goodbye before the camera loses my eyes. And there, I think I've got it. So I'm going to move this back and just make sure. We hope you enjoyed that preview of our brand new stapler. We're awfully proud of it. Please connect with us on our website for more information. And I have it. Okay, so now I'm going to check out what I'm doing. Here's how I'm going to move clips within the sequence. I'm just going to hold my finger on that and see how it kind of raises it up. Now I'm going to drag it all the way to the end because I know where it goes at the end. So here again, it's playing just fine. We hope you enjoyed that preview of our brand new stapler. We're awfully proud of it. Please connect with us. So now I have my intro and my outro, my bookends. Now let's say I wasn't happy with that edit. Here's what I can do is I can go to this arrow icon up here. That will undo any changes I made. So what it did is it didn't move this outro, but I like it where it was at, so I'm going to move it back. But that's how you can undo anything you do in the timeline. It's just that back arrow key. Great a stapler can be. Check it out. I'm playing the intro now, and I noticed that the transition into the next clip, I don't like the dissolve. So I'm going to change the transition. How do I do that? I actually tap on the transition icon there. And then you see here at the bottom, it gives me different things I can do. So maybe I like to do slide to slide. So that's a different transition. So watch this now. Check it out. Okay? So that's how I change my transitions. Again, this arrow key up here would change it if I wanted to. And I want some music to kind of liven this thing up. That's really cool in iMovie. You can do this. So let me show you how to add a music bed to your videos. So go to the plus button. Click the plus button and you'll see that it has audio as a possible selection for you. I want to click on audio and then go to soundtracks. And here you see iMovie has a complete library of different soundtracks you can use copyright free for your video edits, which is pretty cool. And I can test them here. I can sample them before I put them into my edit. I want this to be kind of motivational maybe. Let's see, action, holiday events. Modern. I like modern. Modern may fit the bill. So I'm going to listen to it here on my phone. Yeah, that does it. That's what I want. Okay, so I'm going to press the add. And notice how it drops it in now to the edit. But watch this. iMovie is really smart. It adjusts the audio levels based on if you have a video clip that's the lead of your edit, that audio will take precedent, will play in the foreground over your music bed automatically, which is pretty cool. So watch this. Hi, we'd like to introduce you to our brand new stapler. So the music is playing underneath, this thing reinvents how great a stapler can be. Check it out. And then when I go to stills, you'll see later in the edit, the music will rise in level to become the foreground when there's no audio for stills. So let's put some stills in there. I love this beauty shot of the stapler. I'm going to pick this up and move it where I want it, which is right after my intro, right after this. And now watch this and listen to this. Stapler can be. Check it out. Notice how the music rises there to become the foreground because there's no audio track on that still. I got a close, wide, medium, close still sequence to start off my piece after the intro. And then I'm going to introduce some video clips just to get the thing moving a little bit. I'm going to click on the clip that I want to put a title on because I mentioned the website. So maybe putting up the URL of the website to match my words might be helpful there. So I've selected that clip. And now you see this T icon down there for text, the text tool. I'm going to click on that. And here it gives me a variety of different titles I can put in. And I like this. I try to keep these simple, but just for the purpose of demonstration, I'm going to do pop-up. So I press pop-up, and then here I can edit it, and I'm going to put in our website.com. And maybe I want to change the color. I just click on this color wheel, and let's say I want to do it more this color. Okay, that works for me. And then the cool thing is I can drag it wherever I want to. So I want to put it lower third, like that. And let's back it up and see how that plays. We hope you enjoyed that preview of our brand new stapler. We're awfully proud of it. Please. Now say I want that title to stay even longer. So here I'm just clicking on full clip duration. That's how I get it to last the full clip duration. Now the last thing I want to do, I'm going to press on this gear icon in the lower right-hand corner, because there's a couple of things I always like to do with my video. Is fade up from black and fade into black at the end. So I'm just going to select those. And now I'm done. So I just press done, and it goes here to my file. I'm going to name it. I'm going to press done, and then I'm going to press this transfer icon. I'm going to save it to my videos. So now it's exporting that movie clip onto my phone. So now I can send it wherever I want to, as an email attachment on social media, on my website, wherever my phone goes now, that thing will be on there. And that